Hello there, welcome back to another video. This will be the 5 key steps of moving while recording. The biggest key I would say about moving when recording is understanding the phrase ninja walking with gimbal arms, which I'll break down here in a second, key by key, step by step. So starting with step 1, the first thing we want to do is be in a half squat with our legs spread but still underneath our shoulders, so we are really in a nice athletic and stable posture. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to hold our camera sideways in landscape mode with our arms out slightly in front of us, as I'm doing, and we want to tuck our elbows in. This is called having gimbal arms, and the reason that we do this is to give us more of a stable view with the camera, making sure we're not letting viewers get seasick and just keeping a nice balanced frame. The next step that we want to do is we want to have slow and steady movements. It's important to keep slow and steady movements because you don't want the camera moving too fast. If it moves too fast up and down like this, it can start to give viewers motion sickness or seasickness and kind of degrade the quality of our video. And after working on, so can I please see you do some slow movements, please? Slow but controlled, I should say. There we go. Yep, we want to turn with our whole core side to side very slowly, keeping you in that center 75 frame that we talked about in our last video. And the next step, the fourth step I should say, is understanding how to walk with the camera, or ninja walking. So it's important that when we are ninja walking, as we said, to keep that slow and controlled pace. And so when we walk forward, we really want to emphasize walking from the heel of our foot to our toes, as if we stand on just our toes, the camera will begin to bounce a lot and just be unstable, as we've spoken about. And then when we're walking backwards, we really want to focus on walking from toe to heel, making sure that we're once again stable, low, in a half squat, and with our gimbal arms. And now we are going to demonstrate some ninja walking. Okay, and can I please see you demonstrate your ninja walk? Forward, and then we'll go backwards. Yep, that's good, slow and controlled movement. And now let's go backwards. Yep, really making sure we're focusing on that heel to toe, or that toe to heel, excuse me, and those slow movements. And then the last and final step for moving while recording is making sure that we are keeping slow and controlled breathing, as we are the closest people to the camera, and if we breathe heavy, the camera will pick that up. So we always want to make sure we keep a slow and controlled breath.